to my channel. Sorry, you're gonna hear some background noise. And no, it is not my son. It is my husband for once. He is just putting stuff away from my crazy couponing because we're just getting everything organized to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So
I want to say hi. Do a quick shot.
I can't turn the camera around. No, don't touch it.
Bzzz. Bzzz. That's what I'm putting away.
Okay, so you guys just got a huge view of my living room / messy basements, but we're just organizing everything. But I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, I went at night because I had stuff planned, and that's a little bit of a further drive, and everything went well, and then I had some problems, but we got it all figured out, and I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So, as you guys know, I have 2 cars. I loved all your guys' support last week. You know how I said I wasn't sure if I should keep 1 card or 2 card because one person complained. But I had over 100 comments of you guys saying keep both cards. So I'm keeping them. It is a little bit to, you know, balance them. But I'm here to just show you guys deals. That's the purpose. So what I ended up getting is the Suave shampoo and conditioner. Now, this coupon does expire tonight, but you guys can use 2 coupons that are available on coupons.com. Plus, you guys could probably use a digital coupon that is on the CVS app. So there's other ways that you guys can do this. But these were 3 for $9. You guys want to use 3 $1 off coupons. You guys would end up paying just $6 for the 3 of these. But then you guys get a $3 ECB back for buying all 3. And you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 3 on Ibotta, making this free. And you guys can also submit your receipt for Suave on Fetch Rewards. I have explained Fetch Rewards to you guys about this before. What you do is you just scan your receipt and you instantly get points. They have tons of brands. You guys need to check that out. You guys buy certain brands, you guys get extra bonus points. Otherwise, every receipt you at least get 25 points, and then when you get to 1,000 points, that is $1. But if you guys click my referral link down below, you guys will get 2,000 points once you redeem your first receipt, which is awesome because you can start redeeming gift cards starting at $3. And that is how I pay for my CVS hauls. I don't even pay it with cash anymore. I use my gift cards that I get from Fetch Rewards, and I pay with that. That includes my tax and whatever. So just letting you guys know on that, but click my link. If you guys haven't joined Fetch, it's awesome. So you guys will get, and I think I got like 33 bonus points for each one. Usually you get if you spent like $3, then you get like 30 points. So just letting you guys know on that. So these all became free plus a little extra because of Fetch Rewards. Now with both of my cards, I bought the Nexus conditioner. I'm like, husband, guess how much this is? He's like, what, $8? I'm like, oh, hell no. I'm like, I pay more than that for awesome shampoo. I mean, this has got caviar, I think, in it. I don't know.
No, it doesn't. That's just
it just says caviar complex. But anyways, these are $20.79. I think that's a little ridiculous for shampoo and conditioner, but $20.79. I used a $5 off coupon that expires tonight, so I'm not going to do the breakdown for this for you guys. I'm just going to explain it for you, but we used that $5 off coupon that does expire tonight. I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner coupon for both of them. So you guys would end up paying $11.79 for this. Don't open those. We're going to do a video for that. But then you guys get a $10 ECB, making it just $1.79, which, hey, from $20 to $1.79, yeah. So I did that with both of my cards because why not? I did the paparazzi nail polish. I got this really cool black confetti stuff. This one is Ying Meets Yang. I think I've gotten this before. And then I got a nice pink one, Blushing Beauty, and it's a nice pink sparkle. Seriously, Graham? Oh my god, he's standing there right in my ring light.
Am I worse than Ben?
You're annoying. Okay, so these are 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5, but then you get a $4 ECB back, making it just $1, which comes out to be 50 cents a piece. They do this deal all the time, so if you guys really like nail polish, I used to do jewelry with nail polish, so if you guys ever need nail polish, it's a great deal. I ended up doing the Garnier masks because I really need to start like sitting down and just relaxing and sitting in my masks. I have so many masks. I need to make like a goodie bag for women or something. So these were $2.99 at my store. They have a deal where if you buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $5.98. But in my ECBs that I got today, I got a $2 off of 2 Garnier facial care. So I ended up paying $3.98 for both of these. But then you get a $5 ECB back, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. And since I got both of those, I could not pass it up. And I ended up doing it for both deals because I could not pass that up. So pretty excited for that. One of my husband and I are actually going to do a night where we do a face mask together. I know. I'm excited. I don't know about him, but he'll try anything. He'll do it. The next deal I got, now I looked at your ECBs that you're going to get for the next day show up at 11 o'clock at night. Well, they show up at 11 o'clock my time, so it's different for everybody else. But I saw something that said it was 90% off. I'm like, what? How did I get a 90% off CRT? Well, I got a 90% off One Touch Vario Blue Glow Close monitoring system. Now, my mom was with me when I was shopping, so I'm like, do you want this? She's like, yeah, sure. So this was originally $19.99. I used that 90% off coupon. So I got this for just $1.99. I thought that was a great price, $1.99. But the store manager's like, yeah, you get a lot of this stuff super cheap, but the strips are the ones that cost money. But I don't know. I'm like, you can have it, Mom. So I got that for her. I ended up, husband helped take all this stuff off. I ended up getting the Kotex U, and I never really realized they had these little small things, but these are super cute, and these are great for traveling. If you guys ever need to travel and you just need liners. So these are 18 wrapped, 18 packs, so you can't really use your coupons for this. But these were $1.79. It was, they were buy 2, you get $1 back. Well, I had a $2 off of 2 CRT for any liners or pads. So I got this for $1.58, but then you get that $1 back, making it just 58 cents, which is a great deal for little things like these. So I could not pass them up. I ended up having those CVS coupons for $2 off of 2 items or $1 off of 1. My mom was with me and I said, Mom, just pick some stuff out because I'm giving her some stuff. So I used $1 off of 1 and a $2 off of 2. So all 3 of these became free, but you got to use them in 2 separate transactions. So I got those with each transaction. I ended up getting the Irish Springs soap. Now, my store was fully stocked, and I went crazy over this because what I think I'm going to do is give each bar away for the guys, the homeless guys that I'm going to do videos for, because they could really use some soap. So I ended up, these were 2 for $3.50. So there's a deal where you guys can do this deal up to 4 times. I did it twice in each transaction, because I could not pass this deal up. So these are 2 for $3.50, so I ended up getting 4 of them. I used a 2 off of 6 CRT that I had that it was expiring. I ended up paying $5 for 4 of them, but then I got $2 and $2 of an ECB, so I got $4 back. So all 4 of these came out to be $1 or just 25 cents a piece. I could not pass up that deal. So, and I had that deal on both of my cards, so I had to get 8 of them. Yes, I'm a little greedy on that, but I thought these were great items to give for my little homeless bags that I'm going to be doing in the near future. So I wanted to get that deal, and you can't go wrong for a quarter. I mean, that's awesome. The next deal I got is the A&W root beer. Now these were 2 for $2. If you guys buy 2 of them, you guys get $1 ECB, basically making each one to be 50 cents. Root beer is my thing. I love root beer, so I could not pass that up. So got those each for 50 cents a piece. So I just wanted to show you guys that deal. The next deal I got, now I had, with my 2 different cards, I did 2 different deals. I ended up getting the eyeliner and the eyeshadow. Now I had so this was $10.49 and this was $5.99. I used a 6 off of 2 coupon that we got from coupons.com today. I used a $3 off of CRT that we got today, and then I had a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl. So I ended up paying $4.48 for both of these, but then I got a $5 ECB back, so that came out to be just 52 cents a piece. So that was a great deal on that. And then my mom decided she wanted some eyeshadow. My husband dropped this and it broke. Thanks, Graham. But we got the eyeshadow, and then she got the lipstick. And this was $5.99 and $8.79. I used that 6 off of 2 coupon, plus I used that $3 CRT. I ended up paying $5.78 for the both of these, but then I got a $5 back, so that ended up just being 78 cents. So that was my CoverGirl deal. And one thing I forgot to mention to you guys is this Nexus is also on the Fetch Rewards. My one receipt I scanned and I instantly got 1,000 points for this. So I ended up, that's like $1. That's $1. So just want to let you guys know that. And I scanned both receipts. One I got $1 off right away. The other one I got like 220 points. So because I paid $2 or 20 bucks for this thing. So $2 or 200 and something points. My cat is walking by my legs. So with my old card, it came to $2.43. I ended up getting $3 back from Ibotta. I got 1,200 points back back from Fetch Rewards. So that's equivalent to like $1.20. So I ended up getting 1,000 points for the Nexus, and then I got like 200 points for the Suave, or 1,100 points for the Nexus, and like 100 points for the Suave or something like that. So that came out to be like $1.20. And then I used $24 worth of ECBs, but I received $28 back. So that became a $5.57 moneymaker. So that was awesome. My new card, it came to $1.36. I ended up getting like 204 points back on that transaction on Fetch Rewards. So it's not really a big deal for that. But I used $31 of ECBs in that one, and I received $29 back. So that became a $2 and just became $2.36 for all that stuff, which was a pretty good deal. I ended up paying it ended up becoming a $2.21 moneymaker. So I thought that was a great deal. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoyed my CVS haul, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can show you guys more deals. And I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.